everyone, myself Sunaina Anand Kumar Papriwal. I am from Shriampur district, Ahmednagar. I am a homemaker. It has been 12 to 13 years. I was a student, and again I feel like I am a student. When I joined the expressions class, I was a bit nervous and but also excited. Today I am not only going to talk about myself, but also what I have learned in this class. We have also learned structure of sentences, preposition, conjunction, etc. And I am really thankful to Malti ma'am to teach us English so well, and also my mates to encourage me and inspire me sometimes. After this session, I can properly read English, I can speak English. So, and the credit for this goes to the entire expressions team. So, once again, thank you so much, Malti ma'am and Dama ma'am, and all expressions group. Thank you.